Magtutok po ako. Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna explain how Dream's boat clutch is fake. So, as you guys can see right here, yeah. So we continue. All right, this the unedited one. All right. All right. We're going some. Dream. Wait, what? Oh my god. Alright, so that was Dream doing the bolt clutch. It is fake, absolutely. This was set by the 500s. As you guys can see, if you guys can see like this, alright, I'm gonna end edit, so I'm just gonna let this go on. It's lagging for me, so yeah. Alright, he's towering up. Okay. Alright. Alright. Alright, so that was the Airfrost behind him and Snap in front of him, alright? So what? Okay, so many of YouTubers, like viewers, ask where the crafting table came from. It came from Airfrost. Airfrost. Airfrost, is the one that got the crafting table in there, right? So he did it. He used all of his wood, and then he had a crafting table, and placed it. After that, he fall from a high place so that Dream could craft the clutch, boat clutch. And so he could have. Okay. So if there was no crafting table, I'm gonna question you. Dream, if there was no crafting table, what would you do? So yeah, then, Sapnap got to different direction to make it more longer, and yeah, if he was gonna continue, then it would have been good. Cause like, I wanna see Dream, I wanna see you die. Dude, you're like a god, okay? A god. Let me just talk straight, god, alright? Yeah, so, yeah. If the crafting table weren't there, what would you do? I would, like, get a water bucket and then just place it, dude, alright? If you had a if you had a water bucket, you would, like, fall and then just, boom, you're survived. And that ball Halo couldn't hit him. The hunters weren't trying it hard enough. I could say they're not that bad, but yeah, this is how it's fake. Follow my mouse. All right, I'm gonna like do this. All right. Wait. See that? He's doing different directions. See? And Frost placed the crafting table. If you guys can see, oh, there it is! Ayo! Alright. So, as you guys can see, where's my mouse going? Alright, follow my mouse. Look into the mouse eye, alright? Follow it, and as you can see, yes, right here, right now, Ant Frost fell from a high place. He didn't do it by accidentally, or he did. I don't know. Maybe. But it was fake. It's fake. Alright, it's fake. I'm just gonna say it is fake. It is fake. It's fake. 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 he does the boat clutch. There it is. Alright. Bye, Dream! What? Oh! As you guys can see again, Bad Boy Halo was back of him. If he would have hit him once, then yeah. Alright, what I mean by the hunters aren't trying hard enough, they regrouped at the sand one. Like sand. Where's it at? Alright, right here. As you guys can see, they weren't trying hard enough. He didn't have a boat indeed. Dream can do the boat clutch, but the answer here is if he didn't have the crafting table, what would he do? So yeah, he would have like died or something. Like yeah. So alright. I just want to say Dream is very talented. He can do the boat clutch. Is this really kidding me? Alright. Alright, so that was Bad Boy Halo right there. As you guys can see, right here, right over here. Look where my mouse is. Right here. I'm just gonna do that, yeah. Alright. Alright, see that? He was right behind him. Alright, okay, come on. Bye, Dream. Okay, as you can see, that is Bad Boy Halo right there. Right over here. Follow where my mouse is, game. Alright, right over here. Okay. Oh, yep, alright. He was so close, OMG. Oh my god. My god. See that? Alright. Pause right now. Alright. Oh my god. Bad Boy Halo was right there. I'm glitching. Oh my god. This is... Wow, I'm glitching. I'm so laggy. Wow, what is this? Alright, that's all for this video.